Hello guys and welcome to this video. We're gonna go over the steps that we follow in order to install Teamwork Action Automation for Workflow. This is actually one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your agency and connect to your Teamwork account. And more importantly, execute actions directly from your workflow for your Teamwork account. Let's get the ball rolling. Inside your agency, you go at the app marketplace. So you search for the app, Teamwork. There you go. Install. You select the sub account where you want the tool to be installed. Sub account one. Continue. We go at allow and install. You choose the plan. You confirm. You automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link URL. So click here, you make sure it's copied, and you switch back to the agency view. It's time to create a custom menu link. So you come here at settings, custom menu link, create new. Here you select an icon for your custom menu link. When you're done, you type a name for your custom menu link. How you want to name your custom menu link. We decided to name our custom menu link Greg Apps. I'm going to show it to you later. So here you paste the custom menu link URL that you copied. You scroll down, you select the sub account where you want all your tools to be available. And here you can choose whether you want to grant access to a particular user or to all users. When you're done, you make sure you save. The next step is to switch to the sub account and you go and look for the custom menu link. Remember, I told you that we named our custom menu link Greg Apps. There you go. We have Greg Apps here. So if you guys name your custom menu link differently, my tools, make sure you have my tools here. So we go on Greg. This step is to connect our tool to a Teamwork platform. So we have apps available here and connect the apps. Of course, for all the new apps that you install within your agency, they will pop up here. Okay. So if you type Teamwork, it doesn't pop up because it's already connected. So we go on connected apps. Now let's pretend that the tool is not connected yet. Okay. And we want to get the tool connected to our Teamwork platform. How do we go about it? We go at setup. We need to provide the credentials in order to get the connection going. So how do we get them? But before we go any further though, you can read how to get your credentials. Actually, if you click on it, it will lead you to a smart queue showing you how to get all those credentials. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Teamwork platform. Inside Teamwork, you come down here, you go at settings, and at side, you copy this link, you open a new tab, you paste it, and you add the developer. Here you go. We already have an app that we created here. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's create a new one. Create an app. Insert my credentials. Come down here. You have to provide the redirect URL. How do we get it? You just have to switch to the agency and get the redirect URL on the app here. You get the redirect. You make sure it's copied. Come down here. Paste. You're done. You go and create app. So you have my credentials. We come here. We go on credentials. And we have the client ID and the client secret. So we copy the client ID. Paste. We go and copy the client secret. Now we go and copy the domain. We copy, we switch back, we paste, and we submit. Perfect. We just connected our tool to our Teamwork platform, and now we're able to execute actions directly from the workflow for our Teamwork platform. So if you ever have any question, guys, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you like this video at some point, guys, don't forget to give some thumbs up. And thank you for watching.